Okay, got a quick one today. I've been given a TV that doesn't work. It's a Samsung, I think. You'll see it in a minute. And it switches on. You get the red standby light. Nothing else happens. So there's two things really it can be. It can either be the LCD screen or, well, probably an LED screen, or the main board. There's no other power supply boards, there's just one main board on these. So I have had a quick look at it previously. It smells like something's burnt out. I don't know if you've ever smelled that kind of burnt capacitor smell. It smells very much like that. So I've taken a punt and I've ordered a main board and we're going to change it. The main board, 15 quid. So if it works, I've got a TV for 15 quid. If it doesn't, I'll look at the replacement for the LED panel. It'll probably be not worth fixing at that point, but we'll see how we get on. We'll replace the board, we'll turn it on, and fingers crossed we'll have a working TV for 15 quid. Let's get to it. Okay, so I'm hoping disassembly is going to be quite straightforward. Load of screws all around, and then the board will be underneath here somewhere. So let's take all the screws out. It's none up there, to this side. Okay, the plug feeds through here, also on clips here, so I'm just going to pull that off. Great, got a good view of that. So that's the main board. And they come off. I think they just pull back. Lift up. So we've got a few plugs to worry about. One here. A few empty slots here, so we'll have to be careful of that. This one here. Definitely smells like something's burnt. Nothing actually looks burnt, to be fair. It's a bit black around here. Everything else, it looks fine. Let's take the board off. Two screws on the board that I can see. No real obvious. Well, a few areas look worse than others, but I couldn't say with certainty. But anyway, put that one over here. Grab the new one. £15 second hand on eBay. Let's hope it's the same. It looks the same to me. Okay, as far as I can tell, it's in the right place, so let's put it back together. Power lead. Leave the 4 bolts to the stand out for a minute. That might fit the stand, but first let's test it. So, oh, there we are. Well, that looks fine then. Okay, so we've got something yet, no signal. Great, brilliant. We now have a working TV. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see the no signal? So good news. I just didn't press the on button hard enough the first time, obviously. That's another repair done. Okay, so I said it was a Samsung TV, but it was actually a JVC. It just came to us in a Samsung box, which is where the confusion came from. I've replaced the main board, now all switches on, happy days, 15 quid, problem solved. So quite an easy fix really, 10 screws, something like that. Definitely something most people could do if they put their mind to it, just have to be careful obviously and not do things with it plugged in. Anyway, on to the next thing, cheers!